हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज साहिल कपूर एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू 8 स्मार्ट क्वेश्चंस दैट यू नीड टू आस्क योर हायरिंग मैनेजर और द इंटरव्यूअर टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द इंटरव्यू, जिससे आपके सिलेक्ट होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे। बट बिफोर आई डू दैट, लेट मी रिमाइंड यू कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए सो दैट द नेक्स्ट टाइम आई क्रिएट एनी कॉन्टेंट विच विल हेल्प यू टू मूव अहेड इन योर करियर, यू गेट नोटिफाइड। Now, all right. So you are at a stage in your interview when your interviewer asks you this question, right? So, do you have any questions for us?
No.
Well, of course you do. It is very important to ask the right questions to the interviewer at the end of the interview, because that will help you to understand that if it is the right fit, if it is the right place for you or not. Now, recently I was speaking to few of the employees, and we were talking, and it is again based on my own experience also, that it gets very frustrated जब इंटरव्यू में आप अपने इंटरव्यू से ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हो that do you have any questions for us, और आपको सामने से ये रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है no sir, I think I am good, you have answered each and everything for me and I don't have anything, everybody was so nice. See, it gets very frustrated, and trust me, most of the times these people, they don't get hired. Why? Because the employers, they have real concerns about the fact that if you are not proactive, if you are not doing the right due diligence to understand if this place is going to be the right fit for you or not, then your chances of getting selected are reduced to the minimum. राइट। सो ये ऐसा हो गया ना कि यार आपने पूरा इंटरव्यू तो बहुत अच्छा दे दिया, एंड लास्ट में जितनी भी आपने ये चीज़ नहीं की, आपने ये इंटरव्यूअर से कुछ सवाल नहीं पूछे, और जो इंटरव्यू में आपने आधे पौने घंटे की पूरी मेहनत है वो सारी
मैं पानी पानी हो गई।
राइट, but we do not have to do that, right? So we need to make sure that we ask the right questions to the interviewer to understand that if this place is the right fit for us or not. With that in mind, we move on to the next section of the video where we talk about the 8 questions that we need to ask to the hiring manager. Now, before I proceed, let me tell you that we have divided these 8 questions into 4 categories. We call it as a 4C approach, wherein the first C is connect, second, culture, third, challenge, fourth, close. When we divide the entire thing into 4 categories, it will help us to formulate or articulate the questions in a better way. Now we want to understand these 4 things in the interview from the interviewer, and we frame our questions around that. Okay, now first understand that what these 4 C's are. Connect. So connect is something, you will ask few questions which will help you to bond personally or professionally with your interviewer. So you'll ask few questions around that which will help you to create that bond. Second is culture. So you want to understand that if it is the right corporate culture for you, if this culture, if you can fit best in your culture, if your skill set they are right, and if you will love or enjoying working in this particular culture or not. So you frame your questions around that. Third is challenge. So you need to understand what challenge the company or the department is facing, and whether your skill set they will help you to overcome that challenge or not. Fourth is close. So you want to close the interview on a high note by getting some clarity on what will be the next steps. Okay, so now we move on to the questions under all these 4 categories. The first is connect. So what questions you can ask the interviewer to develop that connect with him. The first one, how did you get here? So in this questions आप interviewer से ये पूछ रहे हो कि what was the drive for him to come to this company, what made him join this particular company, and what was his motivation behind working here. In this way you will understand कि वो किस तरह का employee है, what his nature is, and other things that will help you to connect better with him. The second thing that you need to ask your interviewer is what do you love the most about working here. इससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि इस कंपनी में ऐसा क्या अच्छा है that helped your interviewer in coming and joining this company, and what is the most that he still loves about this company. Okay, second is culture, और ये बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये सेक्शन जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज यू वांट टू मेक श्योर कि जिस कल्चर में, जिस कंपनी में आप जा रहे हो, आप उसमें अच्छे से फिट हो पाओगे कि नहीं फिट हो पाओगे। अब इसके लिए आपको जो क्वेश्चन है बहुत स्मार्टली पूछने हैं, राइट। पहला क्वेश्चन, यू नीड टू आस्क योर इंटरव्यूअर दैट who was your recent hire who was most successful and why you call that person as the most successful, okay। अब इससे अगर आपको सामने से ये जवाब मिलता है कि हमने एक बंदा हायर किया था एंड दैट पर्सन was working 12 hours 13 hours a day without saying anything, he did not take any leave, उसने कोई छुट्टी नहीं लिया, उसको जब बोलते थे रात को, आधी रात को बोलते थे काम करने आ जाओ, वो काम करने आ जाता था, राइट। अगर इस तरह का जवाब आपको मिले तो सच में कैमरा बंद करो, बैग पकड़ो और भाग जाओ वहाँ से। यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू वर्क इन ए कंपनी वेर इन देयर इज नो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एट ऑल। अगर इस तरह के जवाब आपको मिल रहे हैं इंटरव्यू से, ट्रस्ट मी ये आपके लिए राइट फिट नहीं है। सो दिस क्वेश्चन बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू आस्क, बिकॉज इससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस कल्चर क्या है, यहाँ पे किस तरह के लोगों को इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है, whether your quality of work will be valued here या the quantity or the amount of time that you are spending on the floor will be valued here, right। so ये question से आपको ये पता चल जाएगा। Now the second question that you can ask to know the culture, who was your recent hire that you will qualify as a non-successful। It is again the vice versa of the first question। इससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि what type of person they think is going to be unsuccessful, and you will understand that whether your skill set will fit this policy or not, okay। Now okay, let's move on to the third category, which is challenge। Now the question that you will need to ask is, what is the most challenging situation that the department is currently facing and how this role will help in reduce that challenge or improve that situation, right। So the answer that you will get from this particular question will help you to analyze whether your skill set they fit the best for this particular role or not। आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कंपनी का चैलेंज ये है और आपका जो करंट स्किल सेट है और आपकी जो एबिलिटी है, उस एबिलिटी या उस स्किल सेट से आप वो चैलेंज को ओवरकम कर सकते हो कि नहीं कर सकते। Second question that you will need to ask in this category is, how will you understand or how will you measure that your performance has created a positive impact in improving this situation, okay। so इस क्वेश्चन से जो आपको आंसर मिलेगा, इससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि इस कंपनी में एक बड़ी स्ट्रीमलाइंड अप्रोच है in which you can actually measure your performance। आप अपना हार्ड वर्क डालोगे, राइट। सो आपके डिपार्टमेंट में एक चैलेंज है एंड यू आर यूजिंग ऑल योर स्किल सेट, यू यूजिंग ऑल योर एफर्ट्स इन ओवरकमिंग दैट चैलेंज। बट अगर उस परफॉर्मेंस को मेजर करने का, उस इम्पैक्ट को मेजर करने का अगर कोई तरीका ही नहीं है वहाँ पे, देन इट इज़ नॉट द राइट प्लेस। सो आपको वहाँ से ये पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दैट दे आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मेजर योर परफॉर्मेंस, how you are creating a positive impact and how it will be measured in that company, okay। Now fourth, close, right। so you want to close this interview on a high note, okay। and trust me, it's a little debatable, the next question is slightly debatable, but I have seen in my recent experience that it will definitely help you to improve your chances। so what is that question? So you need to ask your interviewer, what is the additional skill that you wish I had that will improve my chances of getting this job better, okay। so in this way it's a two-edged sword। इससे आपको एक तो ये चीज़ पता चल जाएगी कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आपने इस पूरे इंटरव्यू में अगर आपने कोई ऐसा स्किल सेट अपना नहीं बताया है, बिकॉज इट्स अ लिमिटेड टाइम फ्रेम इंटरव्यू, राइट। आपने हो सकता है कि आप अपनी वो स्किल सेट या अपना वो एक्सपीरियंस बताना भूल गए। अगर आपका एम्प्लॉयर, अगर आपका इंटरव्यूअर आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ऐसे स्किल सेट में बताता है कि नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपके पास ये स्किल सेट भी होता, ये एक्सपीरियंस भी होता, तो आपका चांस और बढ़ जाता। और अगर आपने उस स्किल सेट के, अगर आपने उस चीज़ में अगर आपको कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है, देन यू कैन टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी telling him, convincing him, yes, I did not tell you that earlier, but I have worked on this type of thing also, so I have that necessary skill set। if you don't have it, it's okay, because again you will understand that what exactly the skill set these people they are looking at, and also it creates a positive impression कि जो सामने वाला बंदा है ये कुछ सीखना चाहता है and that person has the desire to learn and improve, Okay, the last question that you need to ask in this particular category, because you want to move out of this interview with a clear mind, so you need to ask them what are the next steps. इससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि अगले नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स क्या है, कि अगर इज देयर गोइंग टू बी अ सेकेंड राउंड, और यू नो और समवन विल गिव यू अ कॉल आफ्टर दीज मेनी डेज, राइट? सो say for example, if they tell you okay fine, you'll get a call from HR in the next few days, or say 4 to 5 days, then it will help you to ease the pressure on you after the interview, right? So guys, we have talked about the 4 C's, which contains 8 smart questions that you will definitely need to ask your hiring managers at the end of the interview if you want your chances of getting selected, you know, if you want to improve your chances of getting selected. So these 4 C's were connect, culture, challenge and close. I hope you liked this video and you have stayed till the end of the video, so I hope that it adds value to your next interview, and I wish you all the best for your next interview, and I hope you get selected. Thank you so much. Have a great year ahead.